Why do student recess days seem to change from year to year? Why do student-teacher conferences fall on Valentine's Day? Why can't we begin school after Labor Day and end before Memorial Day? Or, to put it another way, why is the school calendar the way it is? First, let's talk about where the school calendar comes from. 2 years prior to the start of the school year, the district's calendaring committee begins developing calendar options. The calendar committee is composed of several representatives from multiple areas of the district, including parents, teachers, PTA members, principals, district staff, classified employees, and Granite Education Association representatives. The committee considers all factors relating to the school calendar, including state requirements, feedback from previous calendars, major events and holidays, and other concerns. In developing a school calendar, there are many things to keep in mind. State law requires students to be in school for 180 days every school year. So, while the idea of beginning after Labor Day and ending before Memorial Day sounds great, it would leave only about 10 days for fall break, Thanksgiving recess, winter recess, spring recess, and all other holidays and student recess days. Conversely, having longer breaks means beginning the school year earlier or finishing later. The committee also needs to consider the number of days in each quarter and where each term begins and ends. This becomes a factor for things like Valentine's Day and parent-teacher conferences, because the committee makes great efforts to have all grading terms equal, and the second week of February often falls close to midterms. There's also a big desire to have the compensatory day connected to President's Day, making a 4-day weekend. State testing schedules also factor into the calendar, and the committee must provide the best options to meet the needs of students and families. Most importantly, the committee reviews feedback from calendar surveys of previous years. The fact is that no calendar will be ideal for everyone, and, unfortunately, competing values are often mutually exclusive. This is why calendar surveys are so important, because they help provide conceptual direction for calendar development. Using all the feedback and data and knowing that not everybody will agree on a single calendar choice, the calendar committee develops multiple calendar options with notable differences. These options are then put in a survey, which is distributed directly to parents and employees. Results from the survey are then presented to the Board of Education. The board makes a final decision on the calendar after considering the feedback of all parties in the district. To help develop the best possible school calendar, please always provide your feedback on the General Calendar Survey. A link is emailed to all parents and employees toward the beginning of the year. You can also find a link at graniteschools.org during the period the calendar survey is open. If you're interested in learning more about the Calendar Committee, please contact the School Accountability Department at 385-646-4510.